Hi, everyone. My name is Christine Mark Griffin,
I'm Deb Wesselman.
and we are thrilled to be presenting at the upcoming EMDRIA conference in Anaheim. We'll be presenting on creative collaborations, engaging parents in the EMDR process.
Please join us on Friday, September 12th in the afternoon.
Oftentimes I hear from EMDR child therapists that they don't have any issues engaging children in EMDR, but it's challenging to get those parents involved.
And involving parents is especially critical in the case of kids who have complex trauma.
So, Deborah and I have joined forces to create an interactive session where we're going to introduce several different tools, hopefully, that you could add to your toolbox to make this work more doable and fun with kids and their grown-ups.
You'll discover creative ways to integrate art, storytelling, play, and interactional interweaves that will help you bring parents into the healing journey.
So, be sure to register, and we will see you in September.